Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about ratios, one of the most important ideas in math, and something you actually use in real life way more than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know what ratios are, how to write them, and how to solve ratio problems. Let's get started. A ratio compares two or more quantities. It tells us how much of one thing there is compared to another. For example, here I have 3 blue calculators and 2 yellow calculators. The ratio of blue to yellow is 3 to 2. And guess what? All 3 of these mean the same thing. Ratios can be written in 3 different ways. Using the word to, or using a colon, or as a fraction. Ratios aren't just math, they're everywhere. Let's say a pizza has 8 slices. You eat 3 slices, and your friend eats 5 slices. The ratio of your slices to your friend's slices is 3 to 5. First, we need to find out how many blue crayons we have and how many pink crayons we have. If we have 6 blue crayons and 4 pink crayons, the ratio is 6 to 4. Sometimes ratios can be simplified, just like fractions. Since we have 6 blue crayons and 4 pink crayons, the ratio is 6 to 4. Both numbers can be divided by 2, so the simplest form of the ratio is 3 to 2. Let's recap. Ratios compare quantities. They can be written 3 ways. Ratios can be simplified, and we can use them to solve real problems. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more math made easy. And drop a comment below. And I will see you in the next video.